Ever wonder why your Bucatini Alle Vongole never comes out silky like at restaurants? I'll show you the foolproof way chefs get that glossy, perfectly emulsified sauce every time. I love using bucatini that the shape holds up to the clams. The ridges on the pasta with the bronze attachment make the sauce stick to the pasta and not just slide off. Thinly sliced garlic goes into the pan with some shallot confit oil. Low heat to let it sweat, and just enough chili to wake up the sauce. Clams go straight into the pan. I deglaze with a dry Pinot Grigio and let them steam. That clam brine, that's the foundation of the sauce. I ladle in some homemade chicken broth, a touch of cold butter with flour. The pasta goes in al dente with a splash of its own water, and we let it finish cooking right into the sauce. I love finishing my seafood pasta with parsley, and then we're ready to plate. This is my Bucatini Alle Vongole. Like 6 ingredients. It's simple, you don't have to overdo it. Just take your time. You don't have to rush it. It's absolutely delicious. If you want to see more delicious recipes like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Buon appetito, and I'll see you in the next one.